You've just received your Steelcase Gesture chair from OfficeLogixShop, Shop, and you're ready to unbox and install it. We will show you step by step how to get your chair up and running easily. Begin by emptying all contents from the box. This is very important. When you're done unboxing, please save the box and the packaging until your return window ends. In case you want to return the chair, we ask that you package the parts and ship them in the same boxes you received. Inside the box, you will find the back assembly, the seat, and the base. You will also find a small box containing the gas cylinder and casters. To install the casters, flip the base and click the casters into place. Next, flip the base back over and insert the gas cylinder. If there's a cap on top of the cylinder, simply remove it. Now, place the back assembly on the ground and angle it so you can easily insert the gas cylinder, which is attached to the base, into the mechanism and click it into place. It's important to test the height adjustment mechanism before installing the seat. If it's not working, then the cylinder was not placed correctly. Once you verify that the height adjustment mechanism is working correctly, install the seat by aligning the rail on the bottom of the seat with the designated gap on the chair and sliding it in. The seat should click and lock into place. Once it's locked, you can use the knob on the side to control the seat depth. All you have to do now is adjust the chair according to your needs. Find that sweet spot that supports your body based on your posture and height. Now you are ready to experience the magnificent ergonomic capabilities of the Steelcase Gesture chair. Thank you for choosing OfficeLogixShop. Please like this video if it was helpful, and feel free to let us know if you would like to see a specific tutorial.